Good morning, students. Today we will start this poem, A Good Play, chapter 5, page number 37. A good play. So, do you know play means a game, okay? So, a good play, which this poem, in this poem, we will learn about two boys and their play, what kind of play, what they were playing. And this poem is written by Robert Louis Stevenson. So here in the warm-up portion, you see, have you ever imagined yourself as a hero and pretended to fight some of your toys? Have you ever imagined yourself as a hero and pretended to fight means with some of your toys you go fighting and think yourself to be a hero? If you were playing a game with a friend or sibling, which character would you like to become and why? This you will do right, okay? Means if you're playing with any of your sibling, means with your brother or sister or your friend, then which character you want to choose for yourself and why? This you have to write. Next, let us begin the poem. Read a poem about the mischiefs of two friends. See, here are two boys, two friends, and about the mischiefs, what they did and with what they have played and what kind of play was that they were doing. This we will read here. We built a ship upon the stairs, all made of the back bedroom chairs, and filled it with sofa pillows to go sailing on the billows. Pillows means, these are called pillows. So this cushions, okay? So they are saying that we built a ship with the bedroom chairs. See, on the back we have put all the bedroom chairs and we made on the back of the chairs, upon the means back means their back, okay, means on the chairs they have made shape with the chairs. On the back side there was a bedroom, from there they bought chairs and made a shape, all filled with sofa cushions, so that they could go sailing on the billows means waves, so that they could means they have just imagined they have made with the chairs, they have made something and they took it to be a ship. They have filled it with cushions, and they were saying that we will go sailing on the waves. We took a saw and several nails and water in the nursery pails. We took a saw. Saw means an object or tool which is used to cut the wood. Did you see like this they are cutting the wood? So they took a saw and some nails. Nails means loha, okay? Nails. And water in the nursery pails. Pails means bucket. Okay. Nursery here it means a young child's room. Okay. Here in this poem nursery means a small child's room. From there they took one bucket and they filled it with water and took with them. And Tom said, let us also take an apple and a slice of cake. And this, he was Tom. He said that, okay, along with all this, see, they have taken from in this bucket, they have taken water also. So Tom said, let us take an apple and a slice of piece of cake, which was enough for Tom and me to go a sailing till tea. Which was, according to Tom, that slice of cake and apple was enough for both of them, so that they could eat that and go sailing, okay. We sailed along for days and days and had the very best of plays, but Tom fell out and hurt his knee, so there was no one left but me. The boys were saying that we sailed for days and days, means for days and days we went on sailing, and it was very enjoying thing. We enjoyed a lot, we played a lot, until and unless Tom fell down and hurt his knee, and then who was left? No one was left except me. This is a poem written by Robert Louis Stevenson. The meanings you have to learn of this poem. And also this portion about the poet Robert Louis Stevenson was born in Scotland. He wrote many stories of adventure. His famous book is Treasure Island. There are 2 lines, 3 lines. These lines you have to learn, and also you will learn 4 lines of the poem and the word meanings you will do. So this much for today, students. Bye bye, have a nice day.